It's a What's Cooking Wednesday right here on the morning show, and we're back in the kitchen with Chef Videhi, who's helping us make some spicy scrambled tofu. All right, this is a vegan dish, so if you are maybe thinking about going vegan, then we've got all the answers to your possible questions. And yes, you are welcome to send through your voice notes on 072-411-6528. If you've got any questions for Chef Videhi regarding the vegan lifestyle. Now, Chef, we've chopped up the tofu, we've set up the ingredients, we're ready to cook. Where do we start?
Okay, we're going to turn on the heat.
Okay.
We're going to heat the oil.
Yeah.
We're going to add in our spices, and this is where we actually start building our flavors.
All right.
Right? We're going to add some oil to this.
Okay. How much oil is that?
You know, you can add a glug of oil. A glug equals to maybe a tablespoon or a little more, depending on what you like. I preferably like to use a little less oil because it's just healthier for you. Okay. We want this to get nice and hot. So once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add some mustard seeds. Mustard seeds actually adds a nice nutty flavor to the dish. These are actually Indian spices that I like to incorporate into, well, modern cuisine. Or
I actually thought mustard spices just go at the end of the dish. I didn't know that you could actually like cook them before.
No. So it's actually essential that when we're using mustard seed, we're going to add it to the oil, and once it splatters, you'll hear the popping sound. And that's when it releases the flavor.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
Okay, I'm just waiting for this to get a little hot.
Okay. And then this is cumin.
That's cumin seeds.
Okay.
Just add some
mustard seeds there.
Cumin seeds, also known as jeera to the Indian community.
Okay.
Okay. A little longer.
We need that to heat up a bit more. Okay.
Now, I'm using curry leaf.
Okay.
Do you know what curry leaf is?
I don't know what it is. I just know that it's a curry leaf and it makes food taste good.
Yes. So it has a beautiful flavor. It adds flavor and aroma to a dish. It's actually very popular in Indian cooking, and I like to just add them to all my dishes. This is the ABC of my cooking. Mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaf. Okay. So once the leaves start to splatter, you will hear that now. I like to break it up because it releases all the flavor.
The flavor, yeah. Okay. Now we can hear it.
There we go.
Okay.
That sizzle and the splattering and the popping.
Yes.
We'll toss in
your onion. Okay.
Stir this around.
Okay.
So we want to cook your onion until it's nice and soft.
Tender.
And, well, translucent. Just a little soft. Because I like seeing the onion in my dish.
Really?
Yes.
A lot of people don't.
Some dishes, you know, you want to cook that down because it's going to add to the gravy. This is going to add a bit of texture and flavor, a bit of sweetness to the dish.
Okay.
Right, so once it cooks down a bit.
So when we talk about the vegan lifestyle, what exactly are we talking about? Because, you know, we're in Veganuary right now, and a lot of people possibly have a lot of questions with regards to what does this even mean? Let's talk about the vegan lifestyle. What exactly is it?
All right. So I'm going to start by what is a vegan or who is a vegan. So a vegan is a person who abstains from meat, chicken, fish, dairy, eggs, and honey. They also choose not to wear any leather, feather, or wool. You know, so that is a vegan. Being plant-based, on the other hand, they probably just eat vegetables.
More plants,
but do not, so they do not probably abide by abstaining from leather, feather, or wool, or wearing, or eating honey. So that is, I know you asked me earlier about that, and I was thinking maybe it is appropriate to touch on that.
Sure. So then when we are then talking about abstaining from meats, fish, dairy, and a lot of sugars are also not recommended when it comes to a vegan lifestyle, correct?
Yes. Luckily in South Africa, our sugars are vegan. And that is a plus because, you know, sugars are, some places they do use, I think it's bone to whiten the sugar. So that is what makes it not vegan. Okay, I see. What else are we going to be putting into this mixture? Some garlic. Ooh, I love garlic because it just makes food smell and taste even better. Yes. Okay. So we got this going. I'm going to go in with the spices.
Okay.
Let me just turn this down a bit. This is coriander powder.
Coriander powder, okay.
some cumin powder.
Cumin powder as well. So cumin powder along with the cumin seeds as well is also
yes
good.
They just offer different flavors.
Okay,
and
I see.
a bit of a crunchy bite with
see.
the seeds. This is plain chili powder. You
Chili
can
powder.
use hot or mild. This is mild.
Okay.
I'm just going to add how you with your heat tolerance.
Okay. And this is turmeric.
Turmeric.
All right. I think the trickiest thing for me to ever make when I was vegan, and now I'm trying to get back into that lifestyle, was tofu, because I just felt like I didn't know how to cook it. So I'm actually quite excited that that's what you're making for us today. Yeah. And I can see that, you know, there is a twist to it, because I would just like fry it back and front, and yeah,
absolutely.
I'd have it like that.
I know people actually struggle with tofu, and that is the reason I chose to cook tofu. So I'm going to be adding
some mixed peppers, okay,
and the tomato.
The tomato. Oh my goodness, you can smell the aroma, you can smell the flavors, and you can see how it looks just on the pan there, all right? Look, we are going to take a bit of a break and allow all of this to simmer, and then when we get back from news, we will possibly be putting our tofu in just to see how this spicy tofu scramble is coming along. Stay with us, we'll be right back.